Today is about German chocolate cake. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, and on this channel I share with you some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notifications bell so you can see when we post our next video. Today I wanted to make one of the family favorites, which is a German chocolate cake, because it is past my mom's birthday and it is her birthday cake every year. So let's do it. So for this cake, I've just baked up one of my classic chocolate cakes. But the important part about a German chocolate cake, in my opinion, is the coconut pecan frosting. Great grandma's recipe, so I hope you enjoy it. As always, the recipe will be posted in the description below, but here's what you will need for this frosting. We've got some pecans, coconut. I prefer to use unsweetened coconut flakes. They need to be shredded, not powdered coconut. Brown sugar, evaporated milk, egg yolk, butter, and vanilla. So what you're going to start with is your butter, your egg yolks, your evaporated milk, and your brown sugar in a medium saucepan. You're going to put it over medium heat and bring it up to a boil, and boil it until it has started to thicken. And then we will put it in an ice bath to cool it down before we add our coconut, pecans, and vanilla. So our frosting goo has cooled completely. Now let's add some vanilla and stir it in completely. Let's add some coconut flakes and some pecan pieces and stir those in, and we'll just keep adding until we love the consistency of our frosting. My German chocolate cake. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and that you found it very helpful. If you did, please leave a comment, please like, please share with your friends. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notifications bell so that you can see when we post our next video. Have a great day.